Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and you're welcome back to my channel. And today's video is centered on a progression that takes us to the 4. Now this particular progression, I use it to fill up spaces when I have to get to the 4. So if there is a song I'm playing and I've got to stay on a note for some seconds, I play this progression instead of boringly staying on that note. It could be the 3, it could be the 5, it could be the flat 7, whichever one it is. But instead of just boringly staying on those notes and waiting to move to the 4, I could use this instead. And every beginner can learn this, no matter your level of knowledge in music. You can actually learn this and apply it almost instantly. So if you're a beginner out there, carefully watch this video, and when you have to get to the 4 and you don't know what to play, you're just waiting to land on the 4, you could use this progression instead. So let's get down to it. Hello everyone, welcome to the Chord of the Week series, and today we're going to be learning a beautiful transitional movement to the 4. So for some of us who might not be familiar with the number system, we have the 1 as Do, the 2 as Re, the 3 as Mi, the 4 as Fa, the 5 as So, the 6 as La, the 7 as Ti, and as we call it, the 8th as the next octave, which is Do. So we're trying to get to this particular note right here. And now we're trying to learn a move that takes us to that note. Now you do not necessarily have to be a pro to do this. So I recommend this video highly for beginners. Even if you don't know your way around the keyboard too well, you could actually grab this as a bonus and apply it almost instantly. And here's how it's played. Again. So I'll be performing this in just 5 keys, and if you need it done in any other key, you can let me know via the comment section, and definitely I will respond to that. So I'll be starting off in the key of C. Now, just for an example, let's use the song Break Every Chain. There is power in the name of Jesus. Now in that song, there is power. We have to go to the 4. In the name of Jesus. Now that's beautiful. But what if we apply this particular movement right here? It would sound this way. There is power in the name. You saw that. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. So it's very beautiful, very pleasant if you applied the right time and the right way. So let's go through the chords first. The first chord, this is in the key of C right now. We have G, D flat or C sharp, and E. Then on the right we've got G, B flat, and E. For the next chord we have A flat, C, and F. A flat, C, and F. For the right we have just the note D, or you could slur it together from A to C to D, meaning so. Then the next one we have G, D, F. Then on the right we have just the note A. So all together from the top. You saw what I did right there. Now you could actually, but you could slur it to make it sound better. So that's for the key of C. Then for C sharp, have A flat, D, and F for the left. For the right, we have A flat, B, and F. For the next chord, we have A, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. And for the right, we've got E flat. So from the top again. And for the next chord, we have A flat, E flat, F sharp for the left. For the right, we have just B flat. So again. That's for the key of C sharp. Then for F, we have first chord we have C, F sharp, and A. C, F sharp, and A. For the right we have C, E flat, and A. For the next chord we have C sharp, F, B flat. C sharp, F, B flat. For the right we have just the key of G. For the third chord we have C, G, B flat. For the right we've got just D. Then to the 4. That's for F. Then for F sharp, that's for the key of F sharp. So for the first chord we have C sharp, G, and B flat. C sharp, G, and B flat. For the right we have C sharp, E, and B flat. For the next chord we have D, F sharp, and B. D, F sharp, and B. And for the right we've got just A flat. That's for the second chord. For the third chord we have C sharp, A flat, and B. And for the right we've got just E flat. That's for the key of F sharp. So for the key of G, first chord we have D, A flat, and B. D, A flat, and B. For the right we have D, F, and B. That's for the first chord. For the next chord we have E flat, G, and C. E flat, G, and C. For the right we've got just A. Then for the third chord we have D, A, and C for the left. For the right we have E, All you need to do is apply it at the right time, and definitely you'll get the results desired. So let's try that example from the start again. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain, to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. I've searched all over, couldn't find nobody. I looked high and low, couldn't find nobody. Woo! I've searched all over, couldn't find nobody. I looked high and low, couldn't find nobody. So in that particular song, that second part has to go to the 4. I've searched all over, the 5, couldn't find nobody. So instead of boringly staying on the 5, waiting to go to the 4, you could use that movement to fill up the spaces instead. So I searched all over, nobody. Very beautiful. The most important thing about this move is applying it at the right time. It's very imperative you apply it at the right time, so you get the results needed or desired. So you can keep practicing this one, rehearsing it, and as I always say, you can also modify anything you see from anyone. You can play it in your own style and make it even better. So till next time, you can enjoy this one. I'm sure that was pretty simple. Now, one of the most important things in this particular movement is the timing. If you don't get the timing right, you might just mess everything up. So make sure you get your timing properly to get the results needed. You could practice with a couple of songs and keep rehearsing until you can get it wrong no more. So go out there and rehearse, and you can modify this move as much as you like, and I'm sure you'll sound better. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Of course, do not forget to subscribe because we have lots more incoming. I'll see you in the next video.